Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Elliot Fleming of Fleming Computer Tech. Normally I would have my traditional blue shirt with my business logo on, but an unfortunate accident happened, which caused me to take it off very fast. Somebody puked on me. No, sorry. I'm just kidding, folks. No, but basically, oh, what's that behind that white towel right there? Would you like to see? I don't know. I don't know what it is. Since I am a computer technician, would it be a computer? Let's just go and take a look. Of course it is. What did you think it would be? Okay, I had a client that brought me to his computer. It doesn't get on the internet. It comes on, nothing happens. So I took a look at it. And I don't know if it's in effect right now, but it has Windows XP on it. And I would highly recommend him to get a new operating system. Along with that, a new motherboard and some memory. Yeah, of course. Memory, processor, motherboard. Let's just build around the shell, so to speak. Let's take a look, shall we? Okay. I love thumb screws. Get it over with. Let's see here. What can we do right there? Yes, it has an AMD processor. This boy is pretty heavy. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it right there. So with this, we're going to change the motherboard, processor, memory. Let's see. Yeah, let's just change the processor, motherboard, memory, or power supply, and the optical drives. Gonna build everything brand new. Let's just say roughly spending $300 into this thing. Processor, motherboard, memory, optical drives. Yeah, about $300. Oh, let's go 350. Forget the power supply. Let's go with something simple like our Antec EarthWatt 380. Okay, folks. Don't want to bore you. That's gonna be my next video. I don't know how good this is gonna upload and stream, but we like 4 minutes into the video already. Let me put this back. Okay. We're gonna totally build a brand new computer in that shell right there. Whatever in there is coming straight out. Putting all new parts in. So I need some of you all feedback. I said feedback. Take that out. Give me some of your feedback. Like, I would prefer Antec 380 watt power supply. You might prefer a 500 to make it a gaming, but this person doesn't need any gaming. He's just going to be doing their homework. He or she's going to be doing their homework. Um, leave your feedback if you want me to build your computer. Email me at FlemingComputerTech@gmail.com. That's FlemingComputerTech@gmail.com. I will get in contact with you, buy all the parts, ship it out to you. If you're not in Chicago, if you're in Chicago, I bring it to your doorstep and set everything up. Yeah. All the parts cost their own individual prices, but I charge $125 to build a computer up from scratch. Um, that's it for now. Let me what you think. Let me know what you think. Elliot Fleming, Computer Tech. Bye for now.